Hey bakers. So tonight I wanted to make something that is super easy. It's 10 minutes or less to put together and you don't have to bake it at all, but you will still get baked from it if you make it this way. So it is called No Bake Chocolate Peanut Butter Bars, and I got it off a website called Sally's Baking Addiction, and she has got some really great stuff on there, and this one has just 5 ingredients. So first thing, get yourself an 8x8 baking dish. If it's nonstick, you don't have to necessarily line it. I just lined it across with some parchment paper, or you can line it with aluminum foil. Set that to the side, and then in a large mixing bowl, you're going to put together first half a cup of melted butter. And this is a combination of 1/4 cup regular butter and 1/4 cup can of butter. And then to that, you want to add 1 cup of crushed graham cracker crumbs. That's about 8 to 9 graham crackers. And 2 cups of powdered sugar. So all that goes in the bowl together. Mix that up. Oh, wait, hold up. I know I was forgetting something. You also want to put in this cup of peanut butter. And that's why I measure all my ingredients out, get them together before I get too high, because I have definitely, even with this method, managed to leave shit out. But you want to get all 4 of those things mixed in here. Just stir them up until you get all that powdered sugar to kind of disappear into the peanut graham crackery goodness. And of course, that nice cannabis butter is in there. Then right into your pan. Should just kind of slide right out there. And now we're going to press this in. And I found, the easiest way, you can use your hands, spatula, whatever. But when I cut this parchment for the pan, I just tore off another piece here so that once it's mostly flat in here, you can take this piece of parchment and just help you smooth it out. Since that's the part that's got the weed in it, you do want to be sure that that's pretty even. If you got your corners missing, you can try to fix that a little bit. And then the last step is about a cup of chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet. I microwaved them for about 2.5 to 3 minutes on low power, just to get them to the point that I could do this nice and melted. You can do it on the stovetop too if you want. And then add to that about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. All right, and then stir that up nice and good there. Peanut butter and chocolate. And then all you're going to do is spread that over the top of the peanut butter layer. This doesn't have any cannabis in this chocolate layer, so I'm not as concerned about getting every bit of it on here, but get enough of it out that you can spread it to the edges like so. This is so good. I can't believe I haven't made this in a while, because it's easy and it's delicious. So I'm a little high, but I'm trying to get this last bit here. There you go. So you've got the no bake chocolate peanut butter bars from Sally's, Baking Addiction, and I'll post the link in this YouTube video and also online at cookedwithcannabis.com. And actually, you know what I'll do? I'll throw that in the freezer for about 45 minutes to an hour and then take it out and be ready to eat them, and then just cut them up and store them in the fridge after that. All right, thanks for joining, and we'll bake again soon.